Hi guys, how to add trusted connections on Roblox. Now, start by going to the Roblox homepage and look at your current connections at the top of the screen. This first step is quick, but don't skip it because what you see here changes everything. Here's the mistake most people make. If the person you want to add is already a regular connection, you must first click their profile, tap the three dots, and click Remove Connection. Otherwise, the trusted option will never appear. On the homepage, click the Connect button that's the plus icon right next to your connection list. Super easy, but keep watching because the next step is where the magic happens. Select My QR to generate a unique QR code for your account. This code is temporary, so act fast. Have your friend open their mobile camera or the Roblox app to scan your QR code. But here is the secret tip. Both users must be 13 plus and have verified their age for the trusted status to actually work. Skip age verification and nothing changes. That's it. Once scanned, you are connected as trusted friends.